In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install HAAS stainless standard and low profile end stops in wood post. Here on our YouTube channel, we post a ton of really helpful cable railing tutorials as well as pro tips, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To start off, grab your marking template and then mark your post on each side for the holes that you're going to be drilling. When drilling your posts for through-post cable railing fittings, we found that the best method is to drill halfway from one side of the post and then halfway from the other, so that the two holes will conjoin in the middle. The reason for this is so that the bit won't splinter as it comes out the back side of the post. With our holes now marked, grab your drill and 3/8 inch spade bit and be sure to set your drill to its highest speed setting. Align the tip of the drill bit with the mark that you have on your post and try and get the drill bit as straight and level in relation to the post as you can. Then start drilling until your hole depth is about halfway through the post. Go ahead and repeat this process for all of the remaining marks on that side of the post. Now switch to the other side of the post and repeat this entire process until all of your holes are going to match up. When you're done drilling, be sure to clear out any sawdust that may be left in your holes from drilling. Now that you've drilled all of the holes at your post for this run, grab all of your pre-cut cables and then slide on either your standard or low profile end stops for the run that you're working on. Make sure when doing this that your cable is seated all the way inside of the swage cavity. With your end stops already pre-assembled onto your cables, grab your swaging tool and then swage on each end stop for all of the cables for the run. Remember when swaging to position the die within the swage area on the end stop. The swage area is designated by a small indicator line as you see here. Once your end stop is properly aligned in the die, close the handles of the swager to make your first swage. Then, slightly open the handles, rotate the end stop about 90 degrees, and then make your second and final swage on the end stop. Now repeat this process for all of the cables and end stops for the run. Next, all you'll need to do is feed the end of each of your cables through the back side of your post until your end stops are seated in each hole. If you're using wood post protectors like we are today, slide those onto your cable and insert those into your post. At this point, all of your end stops should be installed, and now you're ready to complete the remainder of your cable run. If you feel like the REVO system is right for you, then make sure to check out some of the other installation videos that we have on our channel. Now, if you have any questions about the REVO system, be sure to drop us a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, then make sure to give it a like. I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless. Thanks for watching.